can make a landing, okay?
Yeah, sure.
And any questions?
Nah, I'll just, do you want me to help out with some calls? I don't mind doing it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if you do suffer an engine failure, so I'll get you to do some radio calls.
Yeah.
You're already endorsed on the aircraft.
Yep.
And your license is still within, still fresh anyway. So
yep.
your license is it's still within 3 months, yeah?
Yeah,
so you can fly the plane. In case anything happens to me, also you can fly the plane and do as necessary, okay?
Yeah, if there's anything, I'll just let you know.
Okay.
Anything, and yeah, we'll look out for each other.
All right, good man.
Teamwork. All right, other than that, no questions, John.
And I'll see the lights are working properly.
You want to check the lights for the night, the panel lights? See if they're good. There you go, I see them on.
Can you see them?
Yeah, no, see?
Oh, yeah.
They're good.
And the switches, they're working. Yep, they're fine. All right. Not a problem. Hatches and harnesses are secured, my man.
Door is good.
All right, let's just call them and...
you want me to do the call? Can I do it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You happy with that? Information, Sierra.
Information is Sierra.
We'll just request taxi and clearance 17 right, yeah?
17 right. Before you do that, I'll just activate the leg.
Yeah.
So, Moorabbin, Avalon.
And just probably holding point, Gulf 2.
There you go, 250.
Right. Cool. It's this one.
250, all set.
Yeah. From John Tango Yankee Sierra, run up to complete information, Sierra, request taxi and clearance 17 right.
Tango Yankee Sierra, taxi holding point Golf 2, runway 17 right.
Holding point Golf 2, 17 right, Tango Yankee Sierra. Cool, Golf 2. Oh, look at that.
That's Sierra Oscar.
Yeah.
She's back again.
What a nice day.
Oh, let's see how it is up in the air.
Yeah. Now we're at 8. Going at 8,000.
I'm just waiting for them to give me that code.
Yeah.
Tango Yankee Sierra, squawk 4047 and at 3 miles Moorabbin. Contact center 135.7.
Squawk 4047, 3 miles Moorabbin, 135.7, Tango Yankee Sierra.
4047.
That's set.
And we got
1357, do you want to set that?
We'll set it later.
Oh, got you. 357 set.
And it's at 3 miles.
Interesting.
And they haven't even given us the climb height.
Yeah, they're gonna give it a soon. Hey, look, I think they're about to leave. Actually, no.
They're just taking the plane and fixing it up.
Yeah.
In most cases, it's just passing 2,500.
Yeah.
That's when we...
Moorabbin ground. Warrior Charlie X-ray Foxtrot with Sierra is in the southern run-up bay. Request taxi clearance, runway 17 right.
Well, copy heat is off. Next is full reach. Master note.
Charlie X-ray Foxtrot, taxi holding point Golf 2, runway 17 right.
Magneto's are
Taxi
on.
hold
Fuel
point Golf 2,
selectors are in
runway
on
17
position.
right, Charlie X-ray Foxtrot.
Fuel pumps on. And lights. So we're gonna just leave them on for now. Just put the landing lights on, recoil lights on, leave the nav lights for now. And then we'll do that later once we get in. Honda is set to out and ready to go.
Wait, are we waiting for them to give us our thing? No? So at 3 miles we just contact? Because I guess we're going to be outside. Oh, really?
Outside, yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's going to be 1230 then. And we're Gulf 2.
And departing for Avalon.
For Avalon, yeah. Ground tower, good afternoon. Tango Yankee Sierra, ready 17 right via Avalon.
Tango Yankee Sierra, 17 right, clear for takeoff.
17 right, clear for takeoff. Tango Yankee Sierra. Clear for takeoff, positive takeoff clearance.
Alright.
I am all ready. Right, clear.
Tango Yankee Sierra.
All set.
Speed is alive. Ooh, she's windy. 70, 80. Positive rate of climb. Gear up. Ooh la. Who wants to climb this plane?
Yeah. Nice.
500 feet. Fuel pump off. Two 50.
Into the sun.
And we're coming out to be 3 miles, eh?
Yep. Alrighty.
There we go. Call them up. Climb passing 2000 for Avalon.
Mountain Center, good afternoon. Tango Yankee Sierra passing 2,900 on climb, tracking Avalon.
1000.
Tango Yankee Sierra, good day sir, identified there's no traffic. Clear to Warrnambool via Avalon 8000, Melbourne QNH 1020.
Clear to Warrnambool via Avalon 8000, 1020, and it's passing 2,100 now. Tango Yankee Sierra.
Tango Yankee Sierra.
1020, John.
There you go.
8,000 set. Beautiful. Look at that.
QGS 1547, contact center 135.3.
135.3, QGS 1547.
November Victor Papa, clear Bravo 1 airspace, completed airworks.
November Victor Papa, thanks. Classification terminated, Scott 1200, frequency change approved. Good day.
1200, November Victor Papa, good day.
Probably going to be 1268 next, say. 68.